Crestview FL Window Replacement Company services should start with precise window measurement and fitting. Because picture window installation, picture window replacement, and picture window repair all depend on accurate sizing, clean framing, and professional installation. In Crestview, Florida, homeowners looking for picture windows near Crestview FL, window installation near Crestview, Florida, or residential window services should choose professional window installers and window contractors who handle custom window sizing, window frame replacement, and window sealing services for a proper long-term fit. Picture windows Crestview are a smart upgrade for reducing heat gain, improving comfort, and lowering energy costs in Northwest Florida. Low-E glass windows, insulated picture windows, double pane picture windows, and triple pane picture windows all help create better insulation for homes that need Crestview. Florida energy-saving windows. Home window upgrades in Crestview, Florida often pair energy-efficient picture windows with new construction windows and custom picture windows to improve performance and appearance at the same time. Picture window installation. Crestview, Florida is ideal for homeowners who want large fixed picture windows that maximize natural light and outdoor views while keeping a clean, modern look. Modern picture window designs work especially well in residential settings, and custom picture windows, Crestview FL, can be tailored to fit living rooms, entry spaces, and open-concept layouts. For those comparing picture window sales, affordable picture windows in Crestview, and premium window services, Crestview FL, the best results come from local window installers, Crestview FL, who understand the style and climate of the area. Picture windows Crestview is often needed when glass becomes cracked, frames weaken, or old units no longer provide enough insulation. Double pane picture window replacement. Crestview is a popular option for improving efficiency, while picture window glass replacement Crestview Florida can restore clarity and function without a full structural overhaul. If the issue involves seals, drafts, or frame wear, window glass replacement, window frame replacement, and window sealing services can restore performance and extend the life of the opening. Crestview picture window contractors can provide custom window solutions in Crestview, Florida for homes that need exact sizing, improved curb appeal, and durable materials. Vinyl picture windows. Crestview are a common choice because they offer low maintenance and strong value, while custom picture windows and custom picture windows, Crestview FL, allow for unique dimensions and design preferences. Residential picture window services. Crestview should always include professional window installers who can handle fitting, glass upgrades, and complete installation from start to finish. Impact-resistant picture windows. Crestview and flood-resistant window options are valuable for Florida homeowners who want added protection during severe weather. In Crestview, Florida, picture windows Crestview FL can be built with durable materials and upgraded glass packages that support safety, structural integrity, and long-term reliability. Local homeowners searching for Crestview FL Window Replacement Company services often ask for stronger options like impact-resistant picture windows, insulated picture windows, and low-E glass windows for better year-round performance. Window repair services in Crestview FL are useful when the damage is limited and a full replacement is not necessary. Picture window repair can address leaks, seal failures, fogged glass, and minor frame issues, while window glass replacement and window frame replacement can solve more substantial problems. For homeowners researching Crestview residential window contractor options, it helps to work with Okaloosa County picture window experts who offer both repairs and full residential window services under one roof. House window upgrades. Crestview, Florida are more effective when they combine style, function, and energy efficiency. Large fixed picture windows, modern picture window designs, and new home picture windows. Crestview all add value by improving light, views, and the overall character of the home. Whether the project involves picture window replacement, picture window installation, or low-E picture glass Crestview FL upgrades, the goal is to create a better indoor environment with lasting curb appeal. Window installation near Crestview, Florida should be handled by local experts who understand the demands of Northwest Florida window installation and the importance of proper sealing, fitting, and material selection. From vinyl picture windows Crestview to energy-efficient picture windows in Crestview, Florida, the right installer can deliver better comfort, better durability, and better results. For homeowners comparing picture window installation, Crestview, Florida, picture window replacement in Crestview FL, and residential picture window services Crestview, choosing experienced window contractors ensures reliable workmanship and quality from start to finish.